Right.
Mm.
Right. Alright.
So moving, thank you for coming. Ew, I can smell it.
I know, we had garlic before.
Oh.
We should probably get
Oh.
Not now. Sorry. Chicken with his head cut off. So is it an issue? Sorry. You guys wonder why I put my hood up all the time. Omegle, because I feel like Omegle. I would do it for free. It's like one of my I just love it. There's something so satisfying about picking out a Coachella outfit. When I just burped just now, it hurt my chest. You know what I mean? Moving on. What's an appetizer? Oh. Okay, so this is a beast that we're gonna... That's enough eyeshadow for me. I like to smudge it. Sorry, I just burped a little bit. Okay. There's like a lot of flavor. The bun is really good. Sorry, I burped in the middle of that. I think I just threw up a little bit. Sorry. Fuck. It just doesn't end over here with me. Toiletries are packed. Moving on. Makeup done. I didn't do anything to my hair, but, well, I could do something to my hair. Thank you guys for hanging out with me all day. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun. I don't know. Go. Let's get right into it. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Drink. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. But try the last one. I just wanted to... I just threw up. Oh, fuck. I need to get coffee right now. Okay, we'll see what happens. Same with coffee bean and tea leaf. Enjoy the experience together as a unit. Okay. But I mean, I'm gonna keep filming, right? That's what YouTubers do. Look like... I'm gonna take a poop. So, I'm on such a good roll today. I've gotten so much done. Sorry. Sorry.
Excuse me.
Guys. One. Picked
Let's fix this. Those cookies get to you. Watch the videos.
Ew. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm just disgusting now. Like, sorry. There's lots of girls that stream. I try getting lip fill. The Lord. I don't love you. Oh my God. I'm 36. We have some options. We can watch some Milfies. Sorry. There is so much strength. I'm done.
Attention by being yourself, then they don't.
No. Sorry. And we're gonna stretch a lot today. Because we don't want to be stiff, chat. We want to be the opposite. Doggy. I need to put on a shirt that I can take my bra off right now. I'm gonna die. It's so tight. Help. Nice. There. I look a little more put together than before. It was just really poofy. Yet. I am so gassy. I'm sorry. What I look for. Holy shit, that's still really hot. Holy fuck, that's still really hot. Froze. There we go. I lost it already. Oh, it's right here. Poking at the thing. Sorry, my bad. That was gross. Oh, Geek Spark. Thanks for the prime. I don't get it. You just walk around and like look at stuff. Want a Latino. Have I ever gotten angry with chat? Oh, I get angry. Sorry. Good that cookie looks, chat. Like that cookie looks really. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. I burped really loud when I went inside before, and I was like, oh, I should have done it outside because it was good. I'm special in what way? Are you trying to say I'm dumb? I am a little dumb. It's okay. Listen, done it. Sorry. Tikka masa. Okay, this feels really good, but like, I can't just stream like this. It's the most fun I've ever had in my life. Hi. Such a good time, chat. Are you guys having independizarme from Colombia? And what better day to do that than the independent? Drop the vinegar and then just pull my pants down and run inside. And went in the bathtub.
I'm telling y'all if y'all subscribe, you know, whatever. So. Y'all. Good, I pay for this Wi-Fi. Y'all, what's going on with me today? Y'all got the good live. I need to go to my subscribers. Smith, are you still on here? Yeah, I did, because I had to wear lifted shoes. And to do the challenge without throwing up, I just have to say Owen. Oh my gosh, I did feel it. I'll do it. Eat so freaking much. Ooh, thank you, Smith. Okay, are y'all ready for this haul? Because I am. Like, I just breathe because like I feel it coming. What's up, Jared? Shrimp gang in the house. Y'all came on a good day. Do me dirty. Like what? This is pre-soda. Can I drop the Abertine? I can. What the heck, y'all? This soda better not ruin it, Smith. You better not. Boom. Okay. Did we? Okay. Head banging in the car. Oh. I tried to do it, but it didn't work. That one was a good one. Make sure you subscribe to go on the subscribers only live. So yeah, I will see y'all in a couple. Oh, don't play. Oh yeah, y'all are gonna get it all. My subscribers get top priority, don't you worry. Y'all's my metal. Yeah. It's gonna be like a blah, blah, blah. Okay, ready? That last one was good. You subscriber in the next 2 minutes. Y'all. Oh my gosh, we got it. Ooh, I could try. I didn't know I could do that. I don't like chugging. Ouch. Tasted like blueberry. 2 more minutes. 1 more subscriber in 2 minutes. That was a good one. What's the for? Shrimp gang. What the heck? That one's stuck. Oh gosh, that one's gonna come on a big one.